a taste of goodness. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vanell Cooks, and today I'll be sharing the recipe for this amazingly delicious Gizzard Khebab. Now this recipe is so simple, very easy to make, and super quick. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please do the needful so we can get to it. Have you done it? Good, let's get right to it, y'all. Alrighty, so for our ingredients quickly, we have 1 onion chopped, ginger also chopped, we have some habaneros, garlic, and for spices today we are using some anise seeds, bay leaf, and grains of Selim or Huentia. Let's get started. Alright y'all, so for starters, to a blender I'll add my natural spices beautifully, followed by the rest of our ingredients, i.e. ginger, onion, habaneros, and garlic. Now to that we'll add a tad bit of water, cover it up and give it a quick blend. Next I have my gizzards neatly cleaned with salt, water, and vinegar. So I'll go ahead and add that to my pot just like so. Then to that I'll add half of my blended up ingredients, some chopped up onions, curry powder, 1 shrimp tablet, and of course some salt. Go ahead and give this a very good stir until everything is well incorporated, just like so. As you can see, the gizzards have already released a lot of juices, so we won't be adding any water at this stage, but we'll cover it up and allow it to cook until all the moisture has been drawn out beautifully like you're seeing right now, and then we'll give this a very good stir and add enough water to cover the surface of the gizzards to allow it to cook well and soften up even more. Stir everything together and leave to cook once again until most of the moisture has been absorbed by the gizzards. Oh my goodness, just look at that. It looks so good. It smells amazing. Get it off the heat source and set that aside. Next, I have 1 red bell pepper chopped, a yellow one also chopped, and of course, I also chopped 1 red onion. Yes, you guessed right. Beautiful. Now I'll go ahead and add these beauties to a heated pan with about a teaspoon of oil, and I'll season this with a good old freshly crushed black peppercorns and some salt. Now I'm doing this because I don't want to be chewing on raw veggies while enjoying my kebab, so you can totally skip this step if that is what you want. Okay, toss that quickly in there and get it off the heat source as soon as your onions turn translucent. Okay, you don't want your vegetables to be too soggy or too soft. Okay, that's a no for us. Now to a heated pan, I'll add about a tablespoon cooking oil. You can use any oil of choice, and to that I'll add a teaspoon salted butter. Now the butter is optional, but I highly recommend it. Okay, it takes your flavor to the next level. Okay, so I just added some diced onions, and I'm gonna stir fry this for about a minute or until the onion turns translucent, and then add the rest of our blended up ingredients just like so. Give this a good stir and cook slowly on medium-low heat until all the moisture has been drawn out beautifully, just like you're seeing right here. Proceed to add your gizzard stock and stir until very well incorporated. Taste and adjust seasoning if you need to. Mine is perfect because that stock was seasoned to the T, okay? But I'll add a little bit of this paprika powder right here just to enhance my color and add a little bit of sweetness to my sauce. Stir to combine, and now look how rich and fancy the color looks right now. Oh my goodness. Cook this for about 2 minutes and then add in your gizzards. Give this another good stir, leave to cook, and allow the flavors to marry in there beautifully for just about 2 or 3 minutes. You also want to go ahead and set some of your sauce aside. If it is too much for you, I actually ended up setting some aside, and voila, it is as good as ready for enjoyment. Now all that is left is for you to assemble your kebab on your skewers and enjoy. You want to do it 1 kebab, 1 vegetable at a time, or however you want to go about it is fine. Okay, do this until all of your kebabs are ready. Okay, you don't need any special equipment to enjoy some kebab. Okay. Enjoy. All right, y'all, so we are finally done, and just look at this gorgeousness, guys. It looks so good. It tastes incredible, by the way. Now we all know kebab is incomplete without the suya spice or a hot abochi pepper. So here I'm just spreading some of that goodness on there just to add a little bit more spice and flavor. And let me tell you guys, this stuff is so good. I have a recipe of it coming right up after this one, so don't miss it. Now just look at how juicy this thing looks right now. Tell me you don't want to take a bite. Tell me you don't want any of that good stuff. Okay, go ahead and enjoy this with your Suya Spice, or better still, some of that sauce you set aside. Or you can also just take a bite right now. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I really hope you enjoyed yourself, because I sure did enjoy the cooking myself. Until I see you next time. Bye.